Imagine this: you've traded your uniform for a hoodie, your rifle for a laptop, and your mission briefing now comes from ChatGPT instead of a platoon sergeant. The world's changing faster than a private running from extra duty. Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here. And while most people are panicking that robots are going to take their jobs, veterans, we're just looking for the next mission. See, when you've been trained to adapt under pressure, AI isn't a threat, it's an opportunity. It's like having a digital battle buddy that doesn't need sleep, chow, or morale leave. I remember my first run in with AI. I told it to write me a marketing plan, and it responded faster than a first sergeant after the words free donuts. The thing actually delivered a better strategy than some officers I used to work for, and it didn't even yell once. But here's the real kicker: while civilians are scared of losing jobs, we're out here building systems. With AI, you can automate 95% of your business. That means your funnels, your customer service, and even your emails, all running on autopilot while you're grabbing a beer or running PT. We call that mission efficiency. So if you're a veteran tired of being underpaid and overworked, it's time to take your leadership and discipline into the digital fight. Don't let the robots replace you, let them work for you. Because in this new digital battlefield, there are two types of people: those who adapt and those who get automated. Which one are you going to be?